Hi and welcome back. This is a new playlist, and in this playlist we will be discussing on all the basic C++ concepts with example codes and explanation. And in this video we will discuss a very basic hello world C++ program that displays a string to the user. So we will write a very basic C++ program that displays an output to user. So similar to C programming language. So in C programming language, you will be using stdio.h, right? So this is IO stream in C++. So we won't discuss using namespace std as of now. We will just focus on printing the output. Then we'll go for explanation. Same format int main. For printing in C program, it was printf. In C++ program, it is cout, this angular bracket, double quotes. The string that needs to be printed in the output has to be present inside this double quotes. Semicolon. That's all. So this is the hello world basic C program. So if we run this code, we will get the output here as hello world. See, so this is the expected output. We will jump into the explanation, deep explanation of this code on our next video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.